Hi there, my name is Teacher Dominic. I live in a city called Port Elizabeth, which is in South Africa. There are 11 official languages in the country, and I speak English and Afrikaans fluently. My friends and I would love to teach you English. I'm a certified TEFL teacher. I have 120 hours TEFL certification. I like to use TPR, which is the Total Physical Response Method, which I find fun and engaging. I would go above and beyond to create a happy and positive environment in the classroom. I enjoy working with children and adults, and it would mean the world to me that I would be able to work for your company to create an educational environment. My friends and I can't wait to meet you.